here's how to create this text animation in Premiere Pro. Select the Type tool and type in your text. Then go over to Properties and modify it however you want. Now go to Effects and search for Transform. Add this effect to your text layer. Go over to Effect Controls and under Transform, click the stopwatch button beside both Position and Opacity. Change the opacity value to 0. Uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle option and change the shutter angle to 360. Now move your timeline slider ahead 1 second. Then decrease the vertical position of your text by 90 pixels. And modify the opacity to 100. Highlight all your keyframes and right-click. Select Tempo Interpolation and choose Ease In. Then do it again, but select Ease Out this time. Now expand the Position property and drag the right blue circle handle to the left. Select the opacity keyframes and expand that property, then do the same adjustment. Right-click your text layer and select Nest. Then go to Effects and search for Crop. Add this effect to your nested text layer. Now duplicate your text layer so there are exactly 6 copies on your timeline. Highlight the first clip and under Effect Controls, select the crop effect. Drag the edges of your screen to isolate the first letter. Highlight the second layer, click on Crop again, then isolate the second letter of your word. Continue doing this until you've isolated each letter. From the start of your clip, move your timeline slider ahead to frame, then move the first letter to that spot. Move ahead to more frame and move the second letter to that spot. Continue this process until you've moved every letter of your word to frame ahead of the one before it, creating a cascading animation effect.